Hello, we present the complete Python Programming Series by Edgar Milvus. Volume 1, Python Foundations for Absolute Beginners. Volume 2, Data Structures and the Standard Library. Volume 3, Web Development. Volume 4, Advanced Python and AI. Volume 5, Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro, VO 3.1, Function Calling, Gounding, Computer Use, Robotics, Lyria. Volume 6, AI Autonomous Agents. Master Langgraph, crewAI and RAG to build self-correcting swarms and autonomous digital workers. Volume 7, Finance and AI Trading. Volume 8, Cloud-Native Python Devops and LLMops. Volume 9, Defensive Cybersecurity. Volume 10, Data Science and Analytics. Volume 11, Neural Networks and Deep Learning. Volume 12, Architecting Neuro-symbolic Agents. Volume 13, Bioinformatics and AI. Volume 14, Geospatial AI. Volume 15, Astrophysics and AI. Volume 16, Open Source LLMs and Local Fine-Tuning. By scanning this QR code you go to the series on leanpub.com. By scanning this QR code you go to the series on Amazon. Thank you for watching.